tell me what your name is?
Charles Butler III.
Charles Butler III. Wonderful. What cosmetic procedure did you have done here at CDA?
I had porcelain veneers done on the top, and I had the bleaching done on the bottom.
The core whitening?
The core whitening.
Wonderful. Okay. So, how many veneers did you have on the top?
I believe it was 10.
Okay. And what was the condition of your smile prior to making the decision to invest in veneers?
My smile was very discolored from having braces. So a lot of like yellows and browns and things like that. So it wasn't the prettiest thing, and teeth were not all shaped the same. So,
so it was important to you to make a change.
Yeah, I would probably give my smile a 5 out of 10. I mean, it was okay, and I would smile, but I wasn't always proud of the smile.
Okay. So since you've had the procedure, since you've had the veneers, have you had any personal benefits? How has it changed your life? Okay.
I'm a business owner, so in meetings, social interactions, meeting with clients, even dealing my children's school, I walk in with more confidence. My smile now matches my demeanor.
That's wonderful. So can you tell me, you've been coming here for years and you've referred other people. Why is it that you feel confident in referring friends or family to consultants in dental aesthetics?
Mainly because I know they'll be taken care of. It's a place where everybody feels welcome, and you know you're being cared for. It's kind of like you're stepping into your parents' home, and you know you're safe. You know you're going to be taken care of. And the dedication that's shown by the staff, by the technicians, by the receptionists, by doctors, it's amazing. It's next to none. There's very few customer service organizations in the world that take things as seriously as they do here.
What doctor was it that did your veneers and remade your smile for you?
Dr. Landry.
Okay. And so can you tell me a little bit about your relationship with Dr. Landry?
So I knew Dr. Landry before coming here as a patient. We went to church together, knew his family for a very long time. And so there was a lot of natural trust there. And it just got stronger through the process. I started in the midst of COVID. The week before, COVID hit, and the lab that produces the veneers was in California, and they closed on lockdown. So my temporary veneers were supposed to be in for 2 weeks, and they were here for like 2 or 3 months. And Dr. Landry met me up here just about every single weekend as a temporary veneer would break. He would meet me up here and fix it without any exasperation or anything else. It was always very welcoming, saying, just come on in and we'll get it taken care of. So that type of attitude just exudes in the organization.
You had mentioned something about a Disney World or Disneyland analogy. Can you tell me a little bit more about that?
It has to do with the level of service. You know, when you go to Disney, they focus a lot on the environment, on the personality, aligning the right person with the right job so that they're driven to do a good job. And it invests a lot in the people. And I don't know the inner workings at CDA, but I can tell that there's a large focus into customer service. Even down to, you don't hear yelling down the hallways. Nobody says, I'm gonna leave you here and go get the doctor. They're speaking on walkies that are, in their ear. It's a quiet, serene place. So, you walk in and you can't help but smile and be happy because everybody from the receptionist to the technicians that work on your teeth, the doctors, they're all just aligned, and you can notice the common behavior every time you come in, that you're going to get that same experience over and over. It's not different one day to the next.
Wonderful. Thank you, Charles.
No problem.